Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Elini binti Mokhtar, matrix number 2020861458, and my partner.
My name is Ainu Mardiah binti Abdullahi. My matric number is 2020841718.
We are going to present about our group project STA150 Set A. Question 2.29. In a field economy study, each of 3 race cars is tested using 5 different brands of gasoline at 7 test sites located in different regions of the country. If 2 drivers are used in the study and test runs are made once under each distinct set of conditions, how many test runs are needed? So we need to use the multiplication method. So here we have 4 operations, which is 3 race cars, 5 different brands of gasoline, 7 test sites, and 2 drivers. So we need to multiply all the operation to get the answer of test run needed. So we multiply 3 with 5 and 7 and also 2, and we got the answer 210. The next is question 2.39. In a regional spelling bee, the finalists consist of 3 boys and 5 girls. Find the number of sample points in the sample S for the number of possible order at the conclusion of the content for all 8 finalists and the first 3 position. So here we are going to use permutation method. We want to arrange 8 finalists, so we use the factorial, which is n factorial. So we write as 8 factorials, and we got the answer 40,320. Question B is, we want to arrange the first 3 position. That means we want to arrange only 3 position from 8 position. So we need to use the formula of NPR. So we insert into the formula 8P3, and we got the answer 336. Next is question 2.118. A certain form of cancer is known to be found in a woman over 60 with probability 0.07. A blood test exists for the detection of the disease, but the test is not infallible. In fact, it is known that 10% of the time the test gives a false negative, and 5% of the times the test gives a false positive. If a woman over 60 is known to have taken the test and received a favorable result, what is the probability that she has the disease? So we are going to use the Bayes theorem probability tree diagram. We need to insert all the information given into the diagram, which is 0.07 is the probability form of cancer, 0.1 is the result of false negative, 0.05 is the result of false positive. Then we calculate all the information in the diagram. Next, we want to know that the probability of she has the disease, but she received a favorable result. So we write as probability C given P prime, and we insert the formula, and also we calculate and get the answer 0.0079.
For question 3.33, suppose a certain type of small data processing firm is so specialized that some have difficulty making a profit in their first year of operation. The probability density function that characterizes the profession Y that make a profit is given already, which is when x is between 0 and 1 is equal to ky power of 4 times 1 minus y power of 3, and elsewhere when x is not between 0 and 1 equal to 0. So let's look at the questions. For question A, we have to find the value of k. The integral of probability density function must equal to 1. So we can integrate the function. we need to find the integral of ky power of 4 times 1 minus y power of 3 with limit 0 and 1. We develop the integral and simplify it, and then we have to evaluate the limit of 0 and 1, so we can get the value of k. Value of k is 280. For question B, we have to find the probability that at most 50% of the firms make a profit in the first year. Same like before, we have to integrate the function with limit, so it can be the integral of 280 y power of 4 times 1 minus y power of 3 with limit 0 and 0.5. We develop and simplify the integral, and then we evaluate the limit of 0 and 0.5. Last, we can get the answer is 0.3633. For question C, we have to find the probability that at least 80% of the firm make a profit in the first year. For question B at most, but for question C at least. So we have to put 0.8 at the lower limit and 1 at the upper limit. So it can be the integral of 280 y power of 4 times 1 minus y power of 3 with limit 0.8 and 1. So just like before, we have to simplify the integral of the function and evaluate the limit 0.8 and 1, so we can get the answer, which is 0.0564. For our last question, which is question 4.6, an attendant at a car wash is paid according to the number of cars that pass through. Suppose the probabilities are 1 per 12, 1 per 12, 1 per 4, 1 per 4, 1 per 6, and 1 per 6 respectively, and the attendant receives $7, $9, $11, $13, $15, or $17 between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. on any sunny Friday. Find the attendant's expected earnings for the particular period. To get the answer, we have to use the formula of expected value, which is EX equal to total X times FX. So we have to multiply the probabilities with the dollars that attendant receive. So it will be 7 times 1 per 12 plus 9 times 1 per 12 plus 11 times 1 per 4 plus 13 times 1 per 4 plus 15 times 1 per 6 plus 17 times 1 per 6. So we will get the answer $12.67. So lastly, for the additional question, we have to find the variance. So we have to use the formula that I've given. So you just put the value into the formula, and lastly, you will get the answer 169 minus 160.5289 equal to 8.4711.
So that is all from us. Thank you.